So the complete doorset system has been a very important feature to the evolution of Kingsway. I had the privilege of joining the team back in 2011. At that time I was the first employee joining Ben and Julian on the new side of the company, which at that point was manufacturing and supplying anti-ligature hardware and secure privacy vision panels. A strong message coming through from the clinical staff at that point was the potential ligature risks associated around doorsets. There was more we could do, and the way we could do that was by taking full control of each element of the doorset. So where we had been making and manufacturing the hardware components and vision panels, we really needed to join the dots up and also provide the hardwood frame, the severe duty core, and provide that as a complete doorset offering. So the process we follow for each of our NHS partners is a three-step approach: define, design, deliver. So firstly, define. That would be looking from the clinical aspect, that would be looking at from the health and safety, from the fire, from the estate's maintenance perspective, to make sure the solution selected is the most appropriate for that clinical space. Second stage is the design element of it. So we take all the feedback from the defined stage of the process, we translate that into a technical specification backed up by a visual doorset elevation for further review from the key stakeholders involved on the project. So the third and final step is the delivery stage. At this stage, the complete doorset solution really comes into its own compared against kit doorsets. The complete doorset offers the client speed of installation. It greatly reduces disruption to the ward. There's no alterations needing to be carried out to the floor screed, which on other systems is a requirement. It means that we can get the new doorset installed, commissioned to a very high standard without having clinical areas out of service for unnecessary lengths of time. Other key aspects that our NHS partners don't need to take into consideration is in and around the preparation and disruption to existing floor surfaces. As we're a proud member of the BM Trada QMark certification scheme, we're in control of the tolerances in and around the doorset. That's along the head of the frame, leading edge and the threshold, as well as the gap between the back edge of the door frame and the structural opening. As standard with the complete doorset solution from Kingsway Group, we offer our NHS partners a 5-year guarantee on all elements associated to the doorset. Supporting this 5-year guarantee is the SafeCheck system that Kingsway offer. We view SafeCheck as a proactive approach to fire door and anti-ligature and anti-barricade checks on your doorsets. The complete doorset system that we offer provides the ultimate solution, addressing the clinical needs and risk management and positioning ourselves as your partner in patient safety.